Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Hope you all are doing great and I'm also fine. Then you know that every day we speak English with join together very confidently and fluently. We are trying to become our English very confident and fluent. So for this we are now practicing today, and if you are new in my channel then you also can start your practicing with ours. Then let's start our today's video. Good my English, and also your comment will help me to improve my English, and also it makes me happy. So then come back our topics, and I'm speaking then. And now I am surround myself that behind me you are watching that this is called paddy field, and the paddy plants are growing every day. When I started my journey first day, then that day the paddy fields is so was so small, and day by day these paddy fields are growing and also becoming very green, and one day these paddy fields will go this steps that farmers will harvest that. This is the matter. And also these sides field, but this is empty field. Farmers cultivated their potatoes, and also then they are harvested that, and also now the paddy field is very empty. Now the field is empty, and also yesterday, and also I want to speak one thing that uh, for 2 days, 2 3 days, uh, last night's like nights in this area, in our area, uh, maybe around they are running, but they are not running without shoes. They are wearing their shoes and then they are running. So for this it's don't getting benefits. They are don't getting their benefits and their health. So this is the matter. I am also working and they are working, but I am working just from the top of without shoes, just touching these grounds, because they are I have these capabilities, but they are not. So this is the matter. And also somehow I noticed that one small boys and also a person making, they are taking their shots maybe, and also they are making their videos. And also I want I am going forward, I'm going forward there, and I'm feeling very excitement, because if you are feel excitement or not, you have to be speak some people, and also you have to make videos, because your target is don't know becoming a YouTuber or becoming a content creator. Your target is you have to speak English very confidently, and also you this is a part of you. And now I remember one thing that I imagine one thing that now I want to share this thing with yourself, because the thing is sometimes I waste a lot of times to edit this video, to upload my channel this video, and also to making video is very I think this is important. And but I spend my most times to edit this video, and also when edit this video then action to, and then we have to be had to we have to export this video in our gallery, and for this they need sometimes. And also then the mistakes we make is, then I wait, yes I wait for this video, and this is just wasting my time. And now I have to imagine, then I have to be promised with myself that making video is very important for you because you are practicing and also you are making video, and this is you are uploading. And this is not nothing that in within 1 month you will complete your journey and then you will focus your academic books and your textbooks. This is not, this is just your parts of your everydays. Every day you have to practice your journey, because if then maybe you 1 month later you are you will learn fully your English, then you can speak English very confidently and very fluently. Then you, if you stops your journey, then when 1 week later you can speak. That's the point. So you have to practice every day for this. And if you everyday practice, everyday records your video on every day, you takes you spends you waste your time to edit this video, to upload this video a lot of times, maybe 3 or 4 hours, then your its effect will be affected your academic and academic problems, your academic books, your academic studies, and that is very harmful for your future, because this is not something that this will be makes your, this will build your future. So for this you have to be think that, yeah, this is everyday task. You don't need to waste your time on this. Just make speak. This is not wasting. You are decoding your video, you are taking your shorts clips. This is not wasting. The wasting is when you are waiting for your exporting. This is the point. So I promised with myself that every day we have to be practice, every day we have to be upload. Then if every day we waste our time, that's will be a habit, and this habit is very dangerous and very harmful for us, for me. So I am now explaining with myself my daily everyday problem. So, and this is, I find this problem, and also for this I am speaking about this. So for this I want to overcome this problem, because if we share something with another, then if it is very, it is, if it is grateful or it is joyful, if we share this another, if it is joy or it is very happy matter, then it will increase. And this is very joy and hardness and sadness. Then if it shares with someone, with another, then it decrease. This joy, this sadness is decreased. So for this I am explaining with yourself my problems, which problems I faced every day. And for if I explain with yourself with my video, then it maybe I think that it will decrease. So for this I am explaining this. And okay, okay, now also I proved some two things that I also want to share with you. So, okay, after completing these topics, so for this I promised now with myself that this is everyday's problem, everyday's task. Every day you have to be practiced, every day you have to be takes your video, and every day you have to be edit this video, and every single day you have to be upload on your channel this video. You, this is not that if one week's video you we can upload one day. This is not, every day you have to upload. So stop wasting your time. Maybe I am speaking with my mind, myself. Stop wasting your time, stop waiting for your exporting. Every day you have to be upload your video, every you have to export your video. So for this you can also do another thing, that you can if you take your fixed one, you can make a routine that this every day, this time, fixed time you will edit your video and upload your video. And also I will make routine about this. And I also fixed my I will fix my these times, which time I will edit my video, I will upload my video, and which time I have to pray. Also, the more thing, it is just I'm gaining a skill, and this is a part-time skill. So if you are gaining to gain your part-time, and then you are waste your long term, which I have just 3 months for my academic study, and then I have a big exam, and this exam will be my best exam in my life. That this exam will decide then how, if I will continue, how sides or how sides I will continue my future. So for this is very important for me. So I also have to be make plans, because if you I also want to share one of the another thing. Then I also noticed that I takes a lot of I works, I complete a lot of very important and also big small works, but and I also study my books, and also after the day, after completing that day, after in the day, then I noticed that I also don't stay satisfied. I also don't feeling excitement. Then maybe today my day is not spent very well, because it's happened when I studied. Then I don't write down my study topics, I works name, and also don't make any routine. I have no routine, and for this I did my daily tasks randomly. This is the happen. For this I don't stay satisfied. I don't after completing the day, I don't stay relax, I don't stay comfortable. So for this, to stay comfortable, you just need one thing. You have to make a plan, you have to make a routine. This is very important. Maybe you in your routine you are you can get very simple tasks, but if you can routine, then after completing these simple tasks you will feel relaxed. This is very important for your mind to start your next day's journey. So making routine is very important. So I also make a routine after each day later, because you know that after 3 days we have a big race, and I will make a special video on that day. That one I thought that I will make the topic will be peace. Then how we can stay peaceful, and also we notice that every today's world, if if we look surround ourselves, then we don't find a single peace in our mind, in our family, in our society, in our countries. So for this, how we why we cannot find a peace, and how we will stay peaceful in our everyday, I will discuss about that thing, and also I will share my happy moment. I will share my happy moment on that day. Then it will be I will try with my best experience, with my best, to make this video very special. So you are invited to watching that video, and also come back our topics. And so making I was spoken that making a routine is very important. And now I want to share with you two things that which I proved already, that I spoke in my video don't one times, again and again, maybe countless times I spoke one thing in other video, that if you want to speak 10 minutes with confidently, without fear, with confidently, with fluency, without fear, then you have to speak 50 minutes with fear, without confident, without motivation, without what is said it, without without comfortable, then you have to 10 minutes you can speak very confidently. This is proof because first times today I don't speaking, I'm making very mistakes, and I also feeling very stressed and very uncomfortable to speak today. But then I start very pushing myself to yeah, you have to be speak today. Then now I'm speaking very confidently, and I'm also feeling motivation to speak English. And maybe I'm also making small mistakes, but simple mistakes. So this is improvement, and this is one thing is proved, and then another one thing is proved that uh, yeah, another one I forgot it. I tried to remember this, but never mind. Okay, if I also try to remember this, then it will be very stress or it will be harmful for my brain. So okay, this is called short-term memory loss, and I don't want to remember this. And now I want to end, I want to finish my video. So if you find this video fruitful, at least some, then you can help me by giving me a subscribe or a like, because this is, if you get a subscribes my or my video, then it won't be you spend any money or any important thing you have to don't have to be spent, but I will get a big experience, a big inspire to make another video. So that's very important for me. Okay, then I want this is all for today, and if you find this video fruitful, then also you can share this video with your friends. So have a good day.